for the country. Many thanks to them. Thanks to my bench officers, assistant bench officers, and those who operated our devices and machineries, including Mr. Meher. He has done a lot in the preparation of the judgment. I also like to extend thanks to my registry, to all the staff, and to the respected journalists who have been working very hard to collect the information of this tribunal during the last a long period. And we are very much thankful, grateful to the members of the martyrs and those who have been injured, who have lost their eyes, their skulls, their nose, teeth, legs, hands, handicapped. In spite of being handicapped, they attended the court. They deposed the court and they assisted in the running of the trial of the case. We are thankful to our police personnel and all other security staff, BGB, SB, DB, Metropolitan Police, and all others. And many thanks to those who have come to depose in the court. And very much thankful to the prosecution. The learned prosecutor, Mr. Izanul Islam, Mr. Ghazi Manarul Hussain. They played a substantial part in the trial. And I will mention the other names of the prosecutors who have also contributed to some extent from time to time during the proceeding of this case. And they are Mr. Sultan Mahmud, Mr. Shahidul Islam Sadar, Mr. Farooq Ahmed, Mr. Abdullah Al-Numan, Mr. Abdul Sattar, Mr. Mamun Rashid, MD Hassan Banna, SM Manuel Karim, Mr. Saikul Mahdi, Mr. Tariq Abdullah, Mr. Simon Raja, Mr. Tasbir Islam, Mr. Tanvir Hussain Joha. Our thanks to all our staff, whose names I could not mention by this time. Our heartfelt thanks to the learned Attorney General, who have attended the trial at the inception and at the conclusion. Over and above, our thanks from the core of our heart to Mr. Tajul Islam, the learned Chief Prosecutor, for playing the part of excellence. We are thankful to all others. Thank you. Now let us say something about. I am sorry. I am very much sorry. Our sincere thanks to the learned defense lawyers, particularly the learned State Defense Lawyer, Mr. Amir Hussain. Many people will say many things, but he has done a lot. And he, in our view, in our estimation, to the best of his possibility, he played the exact role he was supposed to, and that we expected. Thanks to him again. And if anyone is left, sorry that we do not by this time recollect. Our thanks to the Learned Attorney General again for his kind presence. We are sorry for being late because many things are connected in the preparation of the judgment. This is a very big matter. For the last couple of days, we could sleep very little, and we had to work continuously for 10 to 12 hours every day. So, anyway, this is our job, but all of you are waiting. You have participated in many ways. Thanks to you all. Now let us discuss something about the judgment. I want to give an idea of the judgment. The judgment comprises 453 pages. And it consists of 6 parts. The first part includes the index, description of the prosecutors, learned prosecutors and the learned defense counsels, introduction of the accused, origin and object of the tribunal, jurisdiction of the tribunal. Article 7 of the Rome Statute, which is the basis of trial of our tribunal. Elements of the crime against humanity. We are trying the offense, we are holding trial of the crime against humanity. So, elements of crime against humanity, these are enunciated by the Rome Statute and being followed and exercised by the International Criminal Court and other international tribunals. We are also following the Rome Statute as well as our law, and particularly the elements as enshrined therein. And the elements of superior common responsibility. In such cases, superior common responsibility is bulkily involved, and that's why we have to have regard to this aspect as well. And we have stated the standard of the tribunal. That is, we compare the standard of this tribunal with the standard of the other international tribunals as well as the International Criminal Court. And we have said about the trial procedure, Part 2, pre-trial proceedings, Part 3, prosecution story and defense case. We have stated about learned chief prosecutor submission on charge, learned state defense counsel's submission on charge, thereupon decision on charge, and then we have given the description of evidences in Part 4. In Part 4 we have also given an account of the testimonies of the prosecution witnesses. In Part 5 we have given the illustration of the evidences, that is the discussion of the evidences. Used arms and ammunitions. We have given an account of the used arms and ammunitions. We have given a description, we have discussed about the telephonic conversations of accused Sheikh Hasina with a number of persons from time to time. We have discussed and extracted the reports of daily newspapers concerning the issues of this case, reports of United Nations Human Rights Commission, reports of Odhikar, another Human Rights Commission, reports of Human Rights Watch, and Global Institute, and so on. We have discussed about the videos of the occurrences which have been displayed in the tribunal. And we have described the extent of cruelty administered upon the victims who have died and who have been seriously injured and lost their vital organs of the body. And we have talked about seized alamots. We have given account of the murders, number of murders, in accordance with the Gazette notifications published by our government and in accordance with the reports of United Nations Human Rights Commission and other organizations. In this context, I want to say that the exact report of martyrs or the victims or the sufferers or the injured persons or those whose whereabouts could not be traced, this is quite natural. You will understand that since our liberation war in 1971, still we could not finalize the list of martyrs, the list of freedom fighters, list of the war criminals and others.